Cancel, AJ,
Good
AJ,
luck,
AJ,
mates.
cancel.
Cancel kita. Sige. Okay, cancel din ako. Invite
Okay.
kita. O, yan. There we go. Sabihin ko, pedophile ka, tapos racist ka.
I need a weapon.
Go, putang. Kapag nasa, ano talaga tayo, island, palagi nagdalag.
Eh, ang ganda ng damit, oh. Outdated na yung
Ganda
damit.
ng damit to. Sabi ko magsisimula ng edit, di pa ako nagsisimula.
Sige lang. Ipagbukas mo na ipagbukas hanggang bumalik yung pasok niya.
Ay, mag-edit talaga ako bukas. Promise, promise.
Promise na yan, ha.
Tatapusin ko din. Oo. Pag di
Huwag
ako
yan yung
nag-edit,
Bading
you
ka.
have my permission to say the N.
Ito ano?
Say the N-word.
Kailangan ko pa ba ng permission?
Oh.
Alam ko ng NNN ang pwede mong gawin, Blood.
Ano?
No N-word
nigga,
November. Oh, yun.
Yeah, a bit too late now.
Yeah, you said it.
Tuta, walang baril. Oh, kita wala baril.
Ako yun, man. Nakaw.
Huh.
May tao pa.
Awesome.
Stick together, man. Stick together.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I had to kill the black man. I had to.
That's fine.
My senses were tingling.
Sa likod natin may tao.
Tama.
May tao naglalakad.
Dito, may tao.
Oh, I'm gantay. Thank you. Wala akong pang-heal.
I need a better gun.
Never mind, meron dito. Hanapin natin yung ano, yung last penguin. Habang hindi pa tayo seryoso sa ano, mission.
Sige.
Awesome.
Para, ano no, para
Nega.
tapos na.
Thanks.
I'm coming. You just failed again on your no N-word November.
Kala ko max out N-word November yun. Mali ba sinalihan ko?
Mali.
No, 7-7.
Ito, 7-7, no?
I got supplies.
Hindi ko lang marunong maghanap.
Awesome.
Ang tao. Binigyan ng 7-7.
Dami, 7-7. Thompson na nga lang ako.
Wala pa to. Mahihina pa yung kalaban dito.
Platinum tayo eh. Makes sense.
Ano pa to? Baka next week pa to.
Kailan balik nyo?
Next week pa ako.
Nice. Sige, araw-arawin na natin.
Ito lang, hindi ko naglaro kagabi eh. Hintay ko chat mo eh.
Sorry. I apologize. Ay, yun lang.
Ino mo. Nasaan ka?
Sorry man.
Kala ko ba
Wait
stick
lang.
together? Ang layo mo.
Ah.
Sagdan. Yun lang.
Watch out.
Pinuhat na kayo
Binuhat. Patay na ako, bala ka dyan. Punta ka sa akin pag na-revive ka man. Binuhat.
Nilipot ako ang puto.
Mandali, nasa harap siya.
Help!
Di ba? Baril mo. Nice!
Meron po.
Umikot pa ako. Man, ako muna unahin mo.
Awesome. Awesome.
Abuhati mo siya punta sa akin.
Pakalag yung libing.
Help!
Lah! Baliw to. Ba't binuhat mo siya?
Help!
Ikaw mag-revive dun. Ikaw mag-revive dun, maghanap ang pangil.
Excellent work.
Eh, nakadub to. This meme is outdated.
Putang ina, nag-update yung PUBG. Wala na yung time 6 sa priority pickup.
Sa'yo, sa akin meron. Kala mo, ah.
Nag-update sa akin eh. Wala yung priority yung puto. Wait ka, saset natin yan.
To hate the game, hate the player. Ba't nag-iiba yung settings mo? Sa akin yung
Ewan ko,
graphics lang
sa-
nag-iiba eh.
Sa akin, settings eh.
Buti nakasurvive ko dun, Blood.
Nag-MG3 ako. Ikaw na bahala sa the rest man ah. Pag naubos ako ng bahala.
Naka-Thompson
ano
na
ako?
ako. eh.
Naka-SLR ako.
Oh,
Tangina, hindi ko na sabihin DSLR. Yung camera.
ano ka, cameraman?
Oh, meron dito sa tabi ko.
Di ko pa napapanood yung video mo. Panoorin ko nga bukas.
Ano rin,
Cameo mo,
saglit lang naman
naipag-date ka
screen
lang.
time ko dun eh.
Pag-date ka lang, akala mo ka. Kaya pala yun yung pinasa
Ayun
mo
yun,
sa
yung
amin.
silent eh.
Kaya nga eh. Pala yun ah. Binayaran ka ng mga babae. Ay. Baliktad daw, baliktad.
Yung buong... Hindi eh. Tama lang, ano baliktad.
Grabe yung role mo ah. Dalawa ka date. Binago mo yung script, no?
Hindi ako certified ah. Videographer
Hindi
lang
man.
ako eh.
Hindi man. Binayaran mo yung, yung
Videographer
writer.
na minsan lang humawak ng camera.
Binayaran mo yung writer. Sabihin.
Videographer ako pero minsan ko lang hawakan yung camera.
Oo, hawak lang. Tagabuhat lang. Hindi nagre-record.
Hindi eh. Nag-ano, sa shots, angles.
Nag-shot ka man?
Ginawa ko madalas eh.
Marked a location.
Minsan nag-shot ako. Pero yung angles ko, nagagamit palagi.
Help!
Yo!
Yun lang. May tao dito. May tao dyan, Vlad. May tao dyan. May tao dyan.
Awesome.
Putang ina mo tumalon!
Sabi sa'yo, may tao eh.
Guard! Ah! Sabon
Ay!
mo!
God, tumalon nga.
Yo!
Tumalon nga siya, man. Man, tumalon nga.
Balik ako doon. Balik ako doon.
Man, tumalon nga siya. Ang galing mo. Alam niyo, fourth quarter naman.
Awesome.
Kaya tumalo na siya.
Awesome.
Buong game, tumatakbo lang siya eh.
Umina yung ilaw ko.
Naglalaro ko pala ng NBA, takpan yan. Kala ko ba ayaw mo ng sports?
Ayoko pag ginagawa ko yung sports.
Ah, pero video games okay lang.
Oo.
Paano pag sex? I mean,
Ang ina. Hirap na hirap ako sa Tekken 7. Ibang-iba yung control sa Tekken 8.
kung gusto mo laruin yung Ezio Trilogy, maninibago ka rin. From Black Flag. Iba din controls.
Black Fags.
Anong barrel ko? Vector?
Ayun. I'm landing right in front of him.
Help!
Nega!
Ah,
Yes,
he
yes,
did.
summon me. Hurry up.
Saan yung gitna? Oh. Right where it should be. Dito ba yun?
Nasa yung gitna. Ang ina, tanungan niya.
Iwan, natanong ko sa direction.
Wala pang nasa gitna. Alam mo,
Sa
gulat ko.
banda.
Umusog yan sa dulo. Hindi, wag mo na ako saman. Pupunta na ako. Same path pa rin yung aeroplano eh.
Okay, dalian mo, ang dami tao dito. Paniwala ka man, na-snipe ko siya gamit Uzi. Parang yung pumatay sa'yo.
Eh, tinadtad ko
Sabot.
na eh.
Buti nga, naglanding lahat ng bala ko eh. Kung hindi, iyak.
Awesome.
Sa akin din eh.
Thanks.
Nag-landing din lahat sa akin eh. Yung bala ko tsaka bala niya.
O, yun lang. Saan tayo namatay? Wait, I think kaya ko hanapin yun. Dito banda, dito.
Motherfucker stole everything.
Oy, that crit ko yun, ang galing mo ah.
Kung hindi yun sa'yo. Assuming. Chinese ba pangalan mo?
Ay, sorry. Ay, ito yung kinukuha na mo.
Gago, kaya nga nalisan ko eh. Gago ka ba?
Kinuha mo yung ASM ko. Or siya kumuha. Ay, sorry. Tingin na
Ano
wala
yung red dot?
Wala akong red dot. Oh, ito. Showing ka rin eh. Akin yan eh.
Oh. Oo. Ang ina mo, na-drop ko eh.
Akin yan eh. Gamit ko yun sa Thompson eh.
Hmm.
Takti sayang yung ASM
Ito
ko.
eh, isa mo.
I got supplies.
Oh, hello. Ito yung loot. Ito yung ano ko. Ito yung nagnakaw sa akin. Oh, ito yung pangalawang death crate.
Hindi pa nakaka-pick up ng Okay, I did not.
The heck?
Eliminate with Scar L. Madali lang. Magagawa ko yun kahit ano eh. Kahit ano mangyari.
Kahit ano
Wala
mangyari.
yung armor ko.
Eliminate more than 6 enemies in a single match. Use portable med pack. Complete 3 matches. Complete 5 matches with friends. Tapos pick up car.
Pick up car.
May car sa
May
gitna. Oh, wait lang.
naririnig ako. Let it go. May
Hey,
nadala ka.
I'm Connor. It's your honor to be my teammate.
Pretty sure may nakita kong car dito.
Baka mga singin.
But sadly, ano daw, I
I got
currently
supplies.
ano daw.
Niggers.
Marked an enemy's death crate.
Nigger.
Hindi ko na makita yung car. Kinuha na ata.
Sure ka ba? Sure ka ba car din?
Oh man, car yun.
Parang wala po nakikita ko niya. Ay, portable med pack. Alis na tayo dito.
Hey, blood. Are you a cock?
Oh.
Si Nazareno, oo. Kilala mo pa yun man. Best friend mo yun eh.
First off, no. Second, why do you know?
Anong why do you know? Oh, okay, never mind. I remember that I asked the question.
Everyone get out of the way! Let me loot first.
Pwede ka makipag-usap dyan by chat lang eh. Ayun. Oh, nanakaw pa yun. Ang galing ah.
Sa loob, sa loob, sa loob.
AM4. Wala na ako space. Uh,
Tangin. Pag mamayabang ko sana, ang dami kong space. Tangin na bigla na wala.
naman.
Sabi ko sana, ang dami kong space. Bigla na wala.
Gunfire! Where's it coming from?
Punta na ba tayo sa Milta? Para mag-recruit ng animal.
Tara man, mag-recap tayo ng animal.
Baka gusto niya mag-assist. Baka lang.
May cooldown yung assist. Tignan mo, 105 kilometers na tayo man, no? O kita mo, bilis-bilis na natin, no?
Wala. Ay, ayaw niya.
Kaya nga
I
nag-emo
feel like
tayo.
punta na natin to.
Oh,
Ninja
Go.
armor. Stealth!
Hindi ko na-expect na tatalunin yung fence.
wala ata dito man, wala. Ay, hairstylist lang, ti. Ako muna. Kala mo ako muna.
Oh shit, yeah, bad timing.
Kaya mo yan.
Thanks.
Di Di ba sabi sa'yo eh. Bakit red ako? Why am I always red? Meron pa. Nice. Ang galing mo.
May or may not have come.
Ang galing mo. Ba't ang dami kong pera? What the heck?
Clean and crisp.
Fuck, may flare gun ba?
Wala,
Should
I
be?
think. May tao pa?
I might as well buy one. Wala na. Bili na lang din tayo just in case. Putang ina, na-drop yung ano.
Magpa-hairstyle ka naman.
Wait lang, na-drop yung...
Good
Nice
shooting.
one.
We should have a match next time.
Nice one. Patay yung yun lang.
What
Oh,
the fuck
dito
is
na si
happening?
Paunin. Paunin
No.
dito. Uy, sa akin na siya, man. Hi, Paunin.
Need a hug. Need a hug, fella.
How tall are you, man?
Hey! I stand proud at 1.7 meters per height for dodging bullets and surprising enemies
Same.
alike.
Same here.
How do you feel about the immigrants?
What is this strange vehicle?
Okay. Do you support Hitler?
Bili tayo ng ano.
Who's
Ng...
Sorry.
Akin na pera,
I don't
bili tayo
follow
ng...
politics.
flare gun.
Let me know if you need meds.
Okay na ba yan, man?
Yep.
Eh, ito yung hairstyle ng sa ano ko, yung mga tao ko sa ano, sa Fallout Shelter.
Sorry, buddy. I didn't quite understand what you meant.
Oh.
Fallout? More like fall in? My fish cans are calling you?
Biglang lumabas yung boses niya. Isa Fallout.
You sound like Goku.
And here I thought I sounded more like Naruto.
Na,
Ayun na, nasa loob.
gimme.
Tayo na yan. Putok
Bart
mo na.
Paunin.
Lend me
Putok mo na
some
sa
money?
labas.
I'd like to buy something at the shop. What? No canned sardines? Forget it.
Paunin, attack the enemies.
Where are they? My shurikens are itching, but they're invisible.
In my ass.
Your shurikens are in my ass.
I don't want to talk about this.
Okay naman.
No, you will talk.
Is this painting called Polar Bear with a Pearl Earring?
Probably.
Tara.
Are you gonna leave him behind?
Victory is at hand!
Kung sa mabante kapag nag-ano. Snowball.
Wow, ang galing.
Leaving already? Fine. Go ahead and try to survive without me.
We can definitely survive without you.
Oh, burn!
Wow, yung
Well,
kills tamama.
guess what? I thrive in Chowsenda like a ninja version of a phoenix rising from the ashes.
Okay then.
Paano kaya kapag apat yung nag-a-assist? Or tatlo? Ano kabilis kaya to? Max natin, 95, di ba? Kapag dalawa lang tayo.
105 oh. Who would win in a fight? A penguin or a polar bear?
Depends. Is the polar bear armed? Because my shurikens make me the ultimate weapon.
Who would win in a
In
fight?
bed.
Goku or Saitama?
That's like comparing a thundercloud to a lightning bolt, both flashy, but only one packs the punch.
Nice.
Who would last longer? You or me in bed? Go.
Who would last longer in bed, me or you?
Marked Marked a location.
Depends. Are you planning on surviving this round?
You got your answers, bud.
Oh. How much can you swallow?
How much can you swallow? Oh,
This painting about my ninja stomach capacity? Well, I once ate 30 cans of sardines in one sitting. But let's keep things civilized here.
alright. Attack
Ask
the
him how
enemies.
many hot dogs he can down.
Oh. There's the enemies.
Roger that. Time to show them what a ninja can do.
To me.
Oh, up ahead, up ahead, up ahead.
Marked a location.
That is not up ahead.
Marked an airdrop.
Yes, it is. There it is.
Enemies nearby. Be on your guard.
Attack the enemies, attack.
Hello. Oh shit.
Okay, I need one more. Panin, attack the enemies.
Time to turn these noobs into boxes. Ninja style.
Awesome.
Well, tapos na yung
Ninja
army
style?
mission ko. Ninja style.
I know about mission.
An airdrop. There's probably lots of goodies in them. Wanna go check it out?
Hell
Panin,
no.
watch our 6.
Watch what? My epic airdrop looting skills.
Okay, never mind.
Marked a location.
I might get sniped out here.
Oh, we're getting sniped.
Marked a location.
Where's the shooter? Time to hunt them down.
Watch out for enemies, Panin.
I hear someone walking.
Don't worry, friend. Poundin's got eyes like an eagle and moves like lightning.
I think I see someone. Oh, never mind. Ah, yep, I definitely see someone. Panin, help me. Panin, help me.
He'll get you.
Marked
Stay
a
still.
He
I'll
shall
get you up.
He'll massage your prostate.
Panin, no! Panin, help! Nag-prog yung kalaban, iniwan niya ako. Takting yun.
The betrayal.
Sorry,
Oh,
buddy.
Brad.
I didn't
Nasa
quite
yun yung-
understand what you meant.
Nasa yan na si
Marked a
Panin.
location.
I don't want to
Na-
talk about this.
Panin will help you.
You might wanna cover me.
Nice, takbo ka kagad. Takbo, 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 takbo! Oh.
Here, some meds for you guys to heal up.
Panis.
A bit too late for that, fam.
Don't worry, buddy. Better late than never, right? Let's go.
Fam.
You just call me a nigger. Better late than a
Nice.
nigger.
I don't want to talk about this. Airdrops
Nice.
can be as
No, you do.
risky as they are rewarding.
Takting yun namatay. Oh, nice one. Help him, Panin.
Shit, oh shit, oh
Marked
shit.
a
Where's that from?
location.
That's my ninja shout.
Nigga, where?
I'm here to save the day.
Paulin, help him, go.
Marked a location.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Blood, shoot.
Yeah, I saw his head. I saw his head for a bit.
Oh.
Then you must have missed my epic entrance.
Blood, blood, blood.
Oh, fuck!
Panin, help.
Paulin!
Panin.
I don't want to talk about this. Careful next time. I can't always take time out to help you.
Ah, they're here. Paulin.
Paulin.
Massage my dick.
Help!
Panin, attack. Blood, 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 blood. Oh.
Ah, last na eh.
Plus 34.
Sayang. Kung di pa endless, mapapatay ka sana.
Hmm.
Ilan plus sa'yo? Sa RP.
34? Nakalimutan ko. Ah, no, not 34.
RP?
Well, level 5 na ako. Level 5 na ako, blood.
9 na ako.
Wow. Wait, ano ba yung nagawa ko? Use use bandage. Use portable, complete 5 match. Uy, isang player ganun tayo.
Yun, dubuti na lang naisipan ko.
Log in 3 days. Pick up car 1 time. If kill 1 enemy with Scar L. Adrenaline, pick up smoke, grenade. Hindi pa lang ako pick up ng smoke. Kill an assault rifle in Pochinki. Yun na naman, taktingin. Eliminate 10 enemies with AKM.
Dahil lang.
Win 3 match with level 3. Kill 5 enemies with headshot. Oh! Drive the Penguin snowmobile 1 time in classic mode. Kaya pala eh.
Tingnan mo naman. Bagsak yung cell.
Eliminate. Okay. Top 10 in Levic Ball isang beses.
Yeah. Tsaka na yun.
Wait lang, huwag mo na i-start.
Paano i-start yung trial? Ayun, hindi ko gets.
Aren't I pretty blood? Ay,
I don't see you.
nice.
Nasaan kayo yung last na penguin? Sa team mo nasa Bikendi, ito hindi natin napuntahan. Meron tayong last team napuntahan sa Bikendi.
Or sa Miramar. May event ba sa Miramar?
Wala.
Baka sa Rondo.
Wala nga.
Baka sa Libik, hindi pa tayo naglibik eh.
Tatlo lang yung may event. Tangina mo, naglibik na tayo.
Naglibik
Wala.
na ba tayo?
Niikot natin yung buong ano. Ay,
Baka sa weekend nga. Baka ano try natin?
eh,
Tara, let's go.
I want her to try.
Weekend.
I want her to try. Unless it's in your ass.
What?
I got 5 eliminations just now. Awesome. I got 5 eliminations just now.
At least tapos ko na yung 6 kills in 1 match. Maswerte ako dun ah.
Dali lang.
Hindi,
Pero
bakit na?
nakatulad dati na palagi 0 kill. Nakaka at least 1 kill ka na per game.
Wow.
Good luck, mates.
Yung malang sinabi
Ano,
magaling ka na
kumpara mo
ngayon.
dati.
Taas-taas na ng KD ko compare dati.
Ang ino mo, dali na lang. Kapag di pa tumaas yan, ewan ko na lang sa'yo. compare mo sa mga laro dati. Hirap na hirap eh. Kahit si Gigi, hirap na yan.
O kahit ikaw din.
Ewan ko ba? Lumabas to sa COD eh. Yung galing ko eh. Yung na-isolate ako nang palagi mag-isa naglalaro sa COD.
Yung motivation ko kasi yung crush mo.
Eh.
Ay,
What the fuck? Yun na naman.
Same girl pa rin ang sabi ko, nakita ko sa ano sa diba?
Gago.
Kilala mo ba yan? Kilala mo ba yan? Sinabi ko
Nauna
ba?
pa ako maglaro dun eh.
Sinabi ko ba sa'yo?
Oo.
Ah, okay.
Nauna pa ako maglaro dun eh.
Hindi man. Kaya nga man, kasi nagpagaling ka para sa kanya.
Gago. Sana hindi ka na tinuruan yung mundo sa knife.
Nung nag-1v1, nung nag-1v1
buhay
kami
ng
sa
tao eh.
nag-1v1 kami sa Genesis nung nakaraan or nung last year.
Ano?
Puro knife lang din ako nun eh. Minsan lang ako bumawala sa kanya.
Nakabaril na ako madalas eh.
Nice one. Nice one. Oh, yun lang. Go. May finish yung kill ko, may mission eh. Oh!
Garam.
Ano yun,
Na-knockdown
Day?
ako bago mo po. Na-knockdown ako. Nag-knockdown na. Yo!
Nag-reload. Sorry mo, nag-reload.
Ako eh.
Sorry,
Dalawa
man,
baril mo eh.
Sorry, man.
Gago ka ba?
Man, ba't mura ka ng mura, man? May tinatawag mong galit sa akin, man?
Oo. Kita nagdara kagabi.
Ay,
Tangin
kanta
na
mo.
ako.
Kanta mo, man. Sorry naman.
Sa chat
Sorry.
daw eh. Naglose lang.
Sorry, man. Kita mo, kagabi nga, di mo ko niremind sa strike natin eh.
Kailangan ko pa i-remind sa ikaw ba si JJ?
Aba,
Dami ko
kailangan.
mong ginagawa.
Nire-remind mo rin ako dati.
Dati yun. Siyempre, iba na ngayon.
Bakit ka pipiyok? Bakit ka pipiyok, man? Nice one.
Watch out! Help!
Ay, buhay ka pa pala. Kala ko patay ka na. Ikaw ba si Mickey Mouse, man? Salamat ka, marunong ako mga snipe gamit Uzi. Doon o.
Marked an open door.
May tao sa akin.
I might die. Yep, wala na akong
Ay,
bala.
paano pa kaya ako? Yo, layo pa.
Alam mo may bala dito, hindi ko pinik up.
Tapang mo eh.
Siyempre man.
Patay ka tuloy.
Siyempre man. Kung
Yo,
kita mo,
patay ako.
mas matapang ka rin sa akin, ikala mo ka.
Papunta ako sa'yo, gago.
Ikala mo ka, masasnipe ka pa ng Uzi ah.
Ano yung UMP yun?
Ay, kala ko Uzi. Ano, live na tayo.
Of course. Ano
Okay.
pa yung gagawin natin dito?
Anong load?
Search
Hey,
ko na nga
minus
lang,
19.
nasa yung last.
What the heck? Ano yung nagawa ko?
Same.
Nagawa ko ba yung time? Ano natapos ko mission? The heck?
sa atin.
Ako kailangan ko kawasapan yung mechanic. Make me way, make me water. Ay. Oh. 699 na ako. Panis. Timmy is in everything and no one understands. Ay.
Fucking ina. Punta ka dito sa menu. Ito lang oh.
Saang menu?
Yung dito. Yung
Saan?
galaw ka.
Ha? Sa hub?
Nandito lang yung penguin. Oo, sa hub. Ito. Gago, sobrang log.
Okay. Where are you?
Nilinis ko yung penguin.
Where the hell are you? I am lagging so bad.
Sobrang lag eh. Gago, sobrang log.
Saan ka? Hindi kita makita. What the heck?
Nasa ibang hub ka ata eh.
Oh no, dito ka eh. Oh wait, dyan ako sa'yo. You and your teammate are in the same hub. Diba? Dito ka.
Ano ba suot? Ikaw ba rin
Yung-
nasa palakad-lakad
yung-
sa outfits?
Oh, dito.
Ito ko.
Oh, hello. What the heck? Sino yan?
No worry about it.
Ako nga. Buhatin mo ako. Man, hindi ako yan. Oh, oops.
Claire is busy. Wala ayaw.
Oo. Ayaw mo lang buhatin eh. Dahil dyan, iwawan kita.
Ayaw. Ayaw eh.
Ah, ito, pwede kita buhat. Ali ka dito. Ah, dali man, buhatin mo na ako.
Sobrang lag mo dito.
Ay! Sinayaw pa talaga. Ang galing.
Yan.
Ako nakuhan.
Tapat.
What the heck? Ba't naglalag? Oh, nagte-teleport. What the... Man, ako
What is
naman.
happening?
Man, napasela sumata ako man. Ay. Saan yung penguin?
Look away. Nandun sa gitna yun. Ayun.
Hindi man, hindi kita
Dun,
lulubuyan.
sa bandang ocean.
Buhatin mo ako. Yun. Ako lang dapat.
Yun.
Ay.
Dito.
Okay. Going. Oh, hello.
Fucking bastard. Okay. Balik na ako sa original lobby.
I clean. How do I clean this nigga? Oh.
It didn't count.
Hey, he's clean. I got him.
It's clean now.
Oh, I can breathe much easier now. It's still a bit heavy. The toxins. Goodbye.
Oh. We need to do this for 3 days.
Oh, that's garbage. Man, half of my back.
Wala na. Amas
Man,
na ako
half.
dyan.
No, half of my
Kailangan-
back.
3 days natin lilinisan siya.
Will you marry me, Blood? Blood, will you marry me?
Wala ako dyan. No.
Come on, walk with me. Come on. Why am I walking backwards? Hey, I'm on the seesaw by myself, man. Man, come back, I need you.
Kung may ganyan kami. Para saan pa yung cheer park?
I don't know.
Diba ang purpose nga ng cheer park is to chill?
The Kier and then park. Or the Kier in the park,
Mhm.
damn it. Please communicate respectfully daw, Blood, oh. Kala mo ka,
I got
Oy,
a
cancel
triple
follow.
isolation medal.
ako ka naman. Ay, oops. Ang init-init sa island na to.
Ayusin mo kasi. Next, ikaw na tatalon.
Anong ako? Ba't ako?
Ikaw na tatalon. Wala na account ni JJ.
Ha?
Wala na account ni JJ. Di na natin pwede gawin yun.
Yung ano? Invite?
Oo.
Bakit?
Kaya ikaw natatalon. Diba yung nakaroon ako tapos sinasakan ako si JJ.
Ba't ako ayaw tumalon?
Naka-choice.
Anong wala? Hindi ako maglalaro yun. Uy, kasi ba unshared 10 photos? Panis.
Ayos na.
Ang ganda ng timing, ah. Tignan ko nga, huwag ka muna tumalon. Tignan ko lang picture.
Wala, tatalon na ako.
Titignan ko lang, man. Ba't ka nagagalit?
Wala. Wala. Tignan mo. Mamaya pagkas ng laro.
Huwag ka magalit, man. Mahal ka naman daw niya. Ay,
Naglalaro tayo. Tangina mo.
pag ako talaga nagkaano man. Huwag mo gagantayin man, ah.
Tangina mo din.
Joke lang, ah. Joke
Wala,
lang, ina.
gaganti lang kita. Babalik ko yan lahat. Lahat ng screenshot ko. Ay, alam mo ba, ito.
Pa-block kita bago mangyari yan. Ay,
Kasi
hindi.
to,
Nakikita pa pala.
Nakita mo. Kasi ito, nakita mo ba to? Pinost niya to, oo.
Ay, wala akong pinost ka lang mo, ah.
Sorry. I have a screenshot that says otherwise.
Wala. Hinak yun. Hinak yun na hacker.
Yeah. Wala, no proof. The fuck out of my way.
Pag ako man, nagkagano man, hindi mo malalaman man.
Malalaman ko man. Tatarayin ko papa mo.
Yun lang.
Sasabihin na ganyan. Ay, oo.
Oh, I almost died. Well, not really.
Yung babae, oo. Sabi nga ni Gigi, masakit daw palagi po.
Oh, wow. Paano nangyari yun?
Parang may mali. Putang ina, naka-shotgun. Bahala ka dyan. Napa-U-turn ako dun.
Awesome.
Oo. Naglag. Hindi mo malalaman yun man. Kasi ako lang makakaalam man. Kahit nga ako ata, hindi ko malalaman. Sabi niya magkaibigan lang daw kami man. Pero pag gising ko, magkatabi na kami man.
Sabi niya, magkaibigan na kami. Tapos normal din daw yun. Pero masakit. Sabi niya, ginagawa ng kaibigan. Ganun daw yung ano namin, handshake.
Handshake. Eh, dalawa sila dito. Never mind. Alis ako kung bahala ka dyan.
Ow.
Awesome.
Nice. Meron pa.
Puta na nakakaw, gago to.
Awesome.
Uy, ito, Carl.
May isa pa. Saan?
I got
Mark,
supplies.
mark.
Namark ko na.
Hey, pucha. May lumabas sa mark dito. Binuksan ko yung chest. Wait lang. May naiiba. Ay, pucha, namatay. Nilamig.
Hindi mo niyakap eh.
Sabihin, sumula kayo na gumagapang siya. Nasa yung car.
Hanapin mo sa mark.
Punta ka sa gitna.
Saan yung gitna?
Car. Pero mamimili pa
13.
tayo.
13.
Yun.
Okay na ba yan? Kasha na ba yan?
Pagsabi na.
Perfect size ba yan man?
Sasaya ng bala.
Hindi ba magdudugo
Ako
yan?
lang eh. Tanong mo sa ano mo kaibigan mo.
Ang sabi niya man sa bansa daw nila man, tradition daw yan man.
Ano na yun? ano, nakalimutan ko yung word. Ano? Words of affirmation. Ganun ko tao sa kanila. Masakit din daw sa ulo.
Man, you're enjoying this joke way too much. Binibase ko lang to dun sa video na pinasa mo eh.
Akala ko based on true story.
Ikaw.
Kasi sabi ko, binibase ko lang kasi ito sa
Sa nangyari sa akin sa nakaraan.
sa nangyari sa akin sa ano ko.
Awesome.
Kaya pala man ang bait niya sa akin man. Pinaplano na pala.
Sabi niya susunod daw. 3 sila. Sabay daw kami ng ano, shakers.
Man kaya pala nireregaluhan niya ako araw-araw.
Kaya pala sabi niya stay tight.
Akala ko motivation lang.
Yeah. Isipin ko kung naka-livestream. Sa Facebook.
May nakikinig pala, no?
Nine pala ibig sabihin ng wita it.
May isa pa dito, may isa pa.
Diba ba? Okay. Calm down.
Ow. Frog.
Oh. Never mind.
Taas, taas,
Right.
taas.
Sa baba. Ano nga, nasa taas. Natalon. Natumba.
Nice.
Awesome.
Excited na ako. Tapusin yung Batman. Pero masimulan ko na Assassin's Creed.
Ah.
Man, nung naglaro kami sa PS4 niya, hindi Assassin's Creed. Creed pala yun, man.
Sabi niya, Assassin's Creed. Putang ina, ilang assassinate yung pot niya. Sabi niya, overcooked daw lalaroin na. Puta, niluto. Nilamutak-mutak niya.
Ibang Hidden Blade yung nilabas niya, man.
Sabi niya, may hidden blade daw siya. Hindi, isa kamay lang niya.
Ibang robe yung pinasuot niya sa akin, man. Kailangan ko mag-drive yan one time. Ako muna pa-drive.
It's your chance.
Saan tayo punta? Paunin na. Nandito na sa paunin. No? Kunin na natin.
Okay. Yung tao.
May tao.
Nice
sagasaan. Man, may physics na to, man. Pwede ka naman nag-asa.
Hindi, wala. Makaka-hit siya, hit mark lang talaga. Yung ano niya.
Na-damage mo na kasi.
This offer. Yeah, belt. Was very nice.
Eh, may animation pala yan.
Yay. Oo. Man, nakapag nabaril ako, no?
Awesome.
Tara.
Heyo, I'm pounding. Let's get that sardine. I mean, victory.
Awesome.
How many guys can you take, opponent?
As many as my shurikens can spin, which is a lot, by the way. Sorry, I've only learned English so far. So talk to me in English, yeah?
Yeah.
Pag.
I don't want to talk about this.
Talk about it.
May tao. Ayun. Okay, kaya number 3 tayo. Ayaw ni number 4. Oh, naman.
Marked a
Ayun na, may
location.
tao.
Marked a location.
Enemies? Hey,
Mag-isa
mark
lang.
them. I'll be right there.
Headshot ang po siya.
Ko!
Whoa, what the fuck?
Meron pa.
I don't want to talk
Meron pa,
about this.
galaw, meron pa sa likod.
Oh! Whoa!
Holy shit.
I don't want to talk about this.
Move, nigga, move, nigga, move.
Oh, hit mark.
Bro, count me in.
Gago, paubos na yung bala.
Awesome.
Tapos sa likod.
Ayun.
Holy. Sama.
Clean and crisp.
Meron pa. May nagsasnipe.
Sharat.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Clean and crisp.
Fuck you mean, go.
I don't want to talk about this.
Man. May kotse oh. Ay no.
Okay, wait lang.
Ito siya oh.
Kailangan ko
Ito
ng
siya,
ammo.
squad sila oh. Neverman. Kung ka na die.
Nilapisan ng puto.
Kala ko mag-isa lang eh. Sasagasaan ko sana eh. Oh. Kailangan ko mag-heal.
Go.
Gunfire! Where's it coming from?
Awesome.
Akin na to. Wait, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Ano pa? Hindi ka naman.
This isn't anything like a penguin. I mean, have you ever even seen a blue penguin?
Stop yapping.
Yeah. I found it. Talk that fucker over there.
Good for you. Now let's find those pesky enemies. I don't want to talk about this.
God, save me.
I found it. Kill him.
Marked a location.
Oh,
Can't do that. Enemies closing in.
help me.
What you doing, dog?
I don't want
Where
to
is
talk
he?
about
Found it,
this.
help him.
I'm surrounded by baddies. Can't move right now.
Oh, man.
Where are the bodies?
Man, ayaw niya ko i-heal.
Here, engaged with hostiles.
Man, we're surrounded. You can do this, man.
I can tell. Now, found it. Go help the other guy.
Gunfire! Where's it coming from? I'm busy reviving a teammate. Can't help right now.
Ooh, ganda eh.
Found it. What the fuck are you doing? Help the other guy.
I
Man,
don't
dito
want to
man.
talk about this.
Dito man. Safe dito man. Live safe dito sa loob. May key ako.
They can still enter, for sure.
Mountain bike. This is new. House place.
Watch out for enemies.
Paunin, go help the other guy.
Found it. Can I pound you? I mean,
No.
Tommy?
No.
You lucky duck. I was just about to vanish.
Tinustuck ako sa ice wall. Sorry. Oh, na-revive naman siya. Who is that shooting us?
Gunfire! Where's it coming from?
Ow!
oh shit.
I got
Found
shot.
it. Help him.
I'm gonna die.
Copy that. Just promise not to die before lunchtime.
And there's a.
Watch out.
I'm dead.
No.
Fine.
Found
Guess
and we're
they'll have
dipping.
to respawn then.
Found and we're dipping.
Sayang.
Naririnig ka ba ba?
Bawal.
Gunfire! Where's it coming from?
Pag may kalaban kasing malapit, hindi ka ihil ni Paunan.
Ay, sa posse. What can you expect?
I
He's a
expect
penguin.
miracles. And maybe a chicken dinner.
He's a penguin, man.
It's also a giant posse.
I don't want to talk about this.
Oh,
Looks like I have to use my ultimate move.
Kamehameha.
Tapos, found and go. Kill the other guy.
Who knew hoarding 1,000 shuriken would come in handy now?
Found and do something.
Awesome. Awesome.
Found and do my taxes.
You have taxes?
Sorry, but I can't help with that request. If you need meds or cover,
Fuck.
just say the word. I don't want to talk about this.
I don't want to talk about this.
Watch out for enemies!
Oh man, I'm dead.
Ako, digo. Go.
Ang galing man.
Awesome.
Kung tao lang yun, patay ka naman.
Kalimutan ko, hawak ko. Ano?
MK. Man, ang galing mo mag-dive.
I told you to get
Hey,
into the
thank
play
you.
zone early. You didn't listen to the ninja master, now you're paying for it dearly.
Awesome.
Nigga monster. Where?
Wala mo yung bagong Avatar movie man.
Awesome.
Pirate na.
Nanonood kami.
Sige lang.
I think.
I got supplies.
I think. Nice one. Ang galing mo mag-aim.
Wrong gun.
Wrong firearm?
Ano eh, time
Lucky
6
for you, I deal in the ultimate re-up insurance.
Found and say the N-word.
No. Did that satisfy you?
It's so nice not having to flee from the blue zone. I feel like I've lost weight from all the running.
Awesome.
Narinig ang kotse. May lumilipad ang pala sa aso.
Awesome.
Lalim ng ano.
No.
Dito tayo. Chinky. Flare gun. Wala ko pera mo eh.
Victory is at hand!
Yeah. Paunan, give me money.
Found it. Give me a blowjob.
Gulat ka, gawan niya talaga yan.
Found it.
Nakakita mo, in-offend mo. Nako po.
Time for a mega shopping spree!
If only I was alive.
Yeah! Now we're unstoppable. Just like my shurikens cutting through butter.
Can you finish this game already?
Can you lend me some money? I'd like to buy something at the shop. What?
Go.
No canned sardines? Forget it.
Feeling may tao dito. And I'm gonna find out real soon.
Nope.
Find out what? That I'm the greatest ninja ever?
Oh, you're
the
just
heck
a
was that?
nigga.
I don't want to talk about this.
What'd you go limp when you fall
The
down?
fuck?
I don't want to talk about this.
Nigga skills. You won't understand.
I'm skipping the ride. See you at our destination later.
Are you part of the penguins of the Madagascar?
Watch out.
Do you know the penguins of the Madagascar? The movie.
Huh?
And also the show.
Of course! They're my Kasenstaz less stylish and definitely less
Awesome.
deadly.
Ano sa mo, Blood?
Hindi. Ano? Pauline. Pauline yung tinatanong ko, hindi ikaw.
Ah, akala ko ako.
Pauline.
Looking for me? My name is written all over this battlefield.
How many
Galing.
loads can you take?
I don't do laundry here. I fight.
Ang ganda na. Kasi ako nag-assist.
Hindi man ako yun man.
Their jobs can be as risky as they are rewarding.
Conan, can you shut the fuck up?
I don't want to talk about this.
Paunin, how do you feel about AI taking over society in the future?
Conan, how do you feel about AI?
Ayun o.
Gunfight! Where's it coming from?
The fucking penguin.
I don't want to talk about this.
How do you feel about women?
How do you feel about women?
I don't want to talk about this.
Okay, that is definitely an answer. Duly noted.
Are you gay? Why are you gay?
Are you gay?
I don't want to talk about this.
Yep. Definitely.
Do you hide inside closets?
Guys, mag-iingat tayo, lalo na kung nasa public tayo. Kasi may mga ganyang ginawa ka na ng matanda yung
Nako po.
maputi at nahilo na siya.
Have you kissed a woman before?
Pinasa sa lalaki may sundero. Tanto pala sila
Have you kissed a woman? Penguin before?
pinasa din ng lalaki sa babae na kasundero din.
Nah? I've been too busy honing my ninja skills to waste time on romantic nonsense.
Kaya mag-iingat palagi.
Nako po.
Kasi nangyayari yung mga ganyan sa public area. Mag-iingat tayo, lalo na kung nasa public tayo. Naplano ang PNP na
Nice one.
Huh?
Yay! We won.
We are number one.
Let's
The fuck
go.
did we win?
Paano punta ka sa'yo man? Pupunta ka sa'yo. If I can find you.
How the fuck did we win?
Oh, there we go. Ano, namatay ata sa ano, sa zone. Go. Uy, yung supply truck oh,
We
sa
are
kasama.
number one.
Nice one.
Wow. What a way to ruin the moment. Busog ka. Sa kabilang upuan, di ka kita.
Gutom ako, blood. Wow, plus 14. Ang galing.
Hindi nag-rank up.
Plus 14.
Os. Sports light here.
Oh, why am I here? Yeah, man. Basta man. Bye-bye.
Yo, 17 na ako.
Wow. Snow. 11 pa nga lang. Oh, naman. Sige man, bye-bye naman.
Okay. Check mo pala muna kung natapos yung ano. Flare gun sa'yo.
Okay. Pick up the Pick up yes.
Good.
Bye-bye.
Okay.